Alright guys, we are back today and we are looking for a trade maybe today. I'm not really sure if I take one because we have CPI and price action doesn't look that great. Yeah, these are the news for today. We still have some kind of news, but price action doesn't look that well, to be honest. If you go on a higher time frame, this is just not great on NQ, same on ES. I mean, we have this, but we would break the 4-hour structure to the downside, probably. We already broke structure to 1 hour, so I don't really feel comfortable with taking trade on ES or NQ. I had this type of setup right now with this gap, but as you can see, it got instantly disrespected. So yeah, we're gonna miss out on that one. On Euro USD, it's the same thing. I do not like this price action at all, so I do not really like to take a deeper look in it because it doesn't make sense to me. And we have maybe a setup on gold right now with this 1 hour gap. This looks kind of decent. The only thing is, no, never mind. This fine, right? Oh no, it's not, because I thought we maybe have like London session eyes, but we have New York session eyes. But it's not that bad. We can still trade off this, but yeah. So let's make the body. Maybe we take a trade on here. Maybe we don't. But either way, we are excited for the week overall. Maybe not for tomorrow, but for pretty much every other day this week. Looks pretty decent. We just need the setups to happen, and if they happen, then we're good. If they don't happen, then it is what it is, but I do not want to force any type of trades this week. So this is the plan. Yeah, I also saw a good setup on GBP/JPY. This right here actually looks decent in my opinion. The only thing is it's like on all-time highs, like crazy all-time highs, and yeah, we are not bearish yet, to be honest. Okay, this yeah, I mean, this is a possible trade too, but I normally don't trade GBP/JPY. So we'll probably only take this on like a 50k challenge account, even if I'm going to take it. I'm not sure yet. Depends on how the setup plays out and what type of price action I see in the next couple of minutes. But our focus is on gold right now. Gold, to be honest, will probably just go to retrace and just keep on going to like a new all-time high. I think it doesn't even get a retracement this gap. Normally, this is pretty rare. This on gold right now. So yeah, I hope you all had a great day. Yeah, I'm trying to look for something here, but this is not great. You know, you don't trade when the price action looks like this. You do not want to trade then. Yeah, this free pairs, I'm not even gonna look into it more. Just gotta wait for gold and GBP/JPY. So yeah. I mean, the thing is, if I get this breakout structure right here, this is already not great, because this would be the setup, and I do not want to take a setup like this with one RR on just one position. I do not want this, and I mean, this doesn't really make sense to me. So I better miss out on this one if the breakout structure happen right now. Oh yeah. Oh. It doesn't look great either, to be honest. Like this price action here doesn't look great either. Just take this trade in New York, you know. So yeah, let's just delete everything. To be honest, There's no volume at all. This is the only trade I am possibly able to take, so that's going to wait some time. So I'm going to update you in a second. Cut. Alright, so we entered the 1 hour gap. It's just been like 10 minutes, so it was pretty fast. And we entered the 1 hour. And now we just wait for a 1 minute break and we take this trade. So let me set everything up real quick. Get on gold here on this account, get on gold on this account. So I can entry as soon as possible. So yeah, alright. Let me just do this, and see what's going to happen. Yeah, this trade looks pretty decent, I would say. It's alright. Depends on if we get it or not, but we try our best. So let's wait. Let's just wait. Alright, let's say we get this breakout structure here at this price level for 608, for 608, for 608. 2 lots, already a lot. Yeah, gold is crazy. The volatility of gold is insane. I'm telling you all this. And we get it, right? Oh my god, it's pushing so high though. Gotta be fast now, damn bro. Gotta be really fast. Alright, but we got everything set up now, right? Yeah, everything is fine, okay. So this is good. Let's see if we break here. And we do break here. So let's buy, get another buy, and buy. And here we going to buy.
Order filled.
Oh, 3 lots actually a little bit too much. Let me close this real quick.
Order filled.
1 lot.
Order filled.
Yep, there we go. 1 hour below this. Alright. Okay, it's pushing already down big. But it should be fine, right? We got our break, we got everything. If it don't work, it doesn't work. It is what it is. It is what it is. It's extremely volatile right now. Extremely. Wait, where did my... Um, 3-1, so this 2. 4-6-2-1. Alright. There we go. I think I should get another buy so I can make my contracts like on my TP level.
Order filled.
So I can do this is like there on this 5-minute high, right? 15-minute high? Where did I even put that? Yeah, it should be there somewhere. And here's going to be my first limit sell. So this should work out eventually, right? Alright, so this is the setup. And let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen with this trade. Like I said, it looks extremely volatile right now, so this is definitely interesting. Oops. Alright. I did like 4-6-3-0 basically, so somewhere here. And yeah, let's see what's going to happen eventually. We got everything set it up right now, so this should be fine. Let me see, let me check. Yeah, this looks good. How much am I at risk? I'm going to tell you in a second. On 25k pass account, I'm at risk of $300 and profit to up to, wait, is this even right? Let me check. Give me a second. Yeah, it looks right. And profit up to $340. Not the best entry, I would say. On the 200k, I'm a risk at, let me see, at 2.4k and profit wise up to 3k. And of course, on the 50k account here, I can make profits up to $500 on not really $500 because like one limit sale is already here, so it's not all the way up to 500. But I'm at risk of like $200, which is nearly 0.5%, what I'm really fine with. So yeah, let's see what the market's going to do. And let's hope that my edge plays out and is in my best interest, right? This is what we're praying for. Oh, not really praying for, because I just execute my trade and play out my edge. But yeah, this is what we do as a trader. We just play out our edge. We got a setup and we place a trade. No emotions, nothing else attached. So let's get it. Let's just wait. There's like still little bit of news like here and here, but not much. So this should be fine. And yeah, I might get something to eat in a second. So I'm going to make a cut and yeah, let's see if my stop loss gets it or my TP gets it. So see you in a second. Okay guys, it's been like a couple of minutes and we are about, or hopefully about to hit our first TP right here. If we get a little bit more bullish volume, we already hit it. I moved my stop loss to here. Right, I gotta adjust it on this side frame to minimize the risk. Because the market gives me the opportunity, because I have a lot of bullish confluence with this 5-minute break and everything else. So this looks actually pretty fine, I would say. But yeah, now we want to hit our first TP. Let's see what the market's going to do. Yeah, I'm gonna make like more cuts in this video because I want to keep my videos a little bit shorter, but still like transparent as possible, so you can see everything you need to see. So yeah, it's kind of unlucky that I like over risked this one trade, so I'm like 60 negative right now, but this is fine. But yeah, okay. Now we want to see bullish pressure. We do not want to see a retracement here. I mean, it only would be a 5-minute retracement. We already broke like the 5-minute structure, and we already swept this and broke on 1 minute probably. Did we broke on 1 minute? Let me check. Yeah, we broke the 5-minute on a 1 minute, so this is also fine, I would say. It's decent. We can definitely work with this. So yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Need like some buys and I think this trade looks fine though. Should be like such a good profit, you know. Look like really decent. Yeah. I mean, this is a great risk reward right now, you know. It's a great risk reward. I'm up. You can see what I'm up here, and I'm up on the 200k right now, or like on 25k. I'm up like 180, and on the 200k I am up 1.4k. So we still have a long way to go to our second TP, but I think it's a good start, you know. If we would hit our first TP, then I go break even on this trade, and we just chill, you know, then we're good. We're just gonna let this trade run. I take my profits, and we are all happy, you know. So this is the plan. And I'm just gonna execute it just like that. I mean, if we hit our stop loss, it's also fine, because we were able to minimize our risk and play out my edge, so this is always great if you can do both. Like, you play out your edge, you do what you need to do, and even if you take a loss, if you minimize your risk, because the market information make you able to do it, so this would also be fine. So yeah, let's just see. Of course I would prefer the TPs of course, but at the end of the day, it is what it is, you know. It is what it is. How long does this go? 2 minutes. Or okay, 2 minutes to go. Might break structure. Yeah. Yeah, that's why we're going to wait. Like, maybe the next 5-minute candle will hit the TP. I don't think it's going to be this candle, because this candle only goes on for like 130 right now. But if we can take out this high, oh, maybe we do. Maybe we do take this TP out with this candle. Maybe I'm wrong. I guess we don't know yet. I guess we don't know. But yeah, would be great if we like take out this side though. This would be a good move, you know. Take out this side and then we're chilling. I mean, we look forward to do it. Come on, don't edge me. You know what? Fuck that. Let's make it to this side. Because I do not want to be edged this hard. So let's do it like this and break even. Because I'm heading over to the gym. Or I want to head over to the gym and want to adjust everything. Like go break even and everything else. So this is the plan. But yeah. This minute close now in like 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. There's the close. It's just a little bit of a push now, and we are good with a good profit, you know. Come on, bruh. Come on, go over this. You got it. I'm getting
Order
rage.
filled.
Okay, there we go. And we still have this trade to go. So let's make it break even. And let's do it on the other accounts too. Wait, I gotta watch out for which position I'm going to close first. I gotta check this out. So 4621 take profit 4621. This is this one. So we're gonna close this position closed. Go on the other account and close the position there too. Dun dun dun. Where's it? 4621, right? Yeah, this one. Close this position. We go basically break even now, and we are good. We are good, man. Telling y'all. Alright. Let me just adjust everything that I can go to the gym and be a happy person and a happy life. You know what makes me even more happy? If I come back and I hit my second TP. This would make me even more happy, but it's not in my power to know what's going to happen. Might get this 15-minute fair value gap though. We might. When does it close? 12 minutes. Okay, it's still a long way, but we will wait for it. I'm going to be back in a couple of hours and hopefully see my TP get hit or my break even gets it, and I still take a okay amount of profit. So let's see you then. Alright guys, so we are back and we got subbed out. It is what it is at the end of the day, but this is completely fine. We played our edge out, we took profits, and good thing that I took, as you saw in the video, I moved down there and to not get edged to make secure my first TP. After that I went break even and then I got subbed out now, which is completely fine though, because on the 25k I made around like $100 on the on the 200k I made around 1k, like 950, and on the 50k account, as you saw, I made around like 80, I think it was. I closed it already, so that's kind of what it is, but I made around 80 bucks. So this is also fine, I guess, like a 180 profit day. Not that great, could have been way more, but it is what it is at the end of the day, and I'm looking forward to trade tomorrow. So see you there.